sorry. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I come in?
Yeah, oh, there you are. I was looking for you. I thought you were back there.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Brad. Do you need last name too or what?
Yeah, whatever you want, man.
Oh, Brad. There's two 15 EVRs on a Smart 3K and two AGM batteries sitting about 300 amp hours.
Okay.
On a 320 Brand X alternator.
Good electrical.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the specs on the enclosure?
It's a 5.5 cubes. And it's tuned to 36, but it plays highs. It's not meant for lows.
So like mid 40s, 50 hertz range?
Yeah, 40s to 50 range.
Okay.
So.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
You can find me tryna be bitches point of view and finding new shit. Can't decide to swap by rating all the view. Ain't going stupid. What you know about a window from the tabs? And all of the bitches pretty fucking bad. Did you get the type of bitches?
Awesome. Yeah, definitely likes the higher note.
Yeah, it's all about the mid. It's all about the highs. So like I'll give you one more.
Okay.
And
is it louder with sealed or is it better with one window up? Or?
It seems to be louder with sealed.
Okay.
I feel like it's louder with sealed, but we'll play some 50 hertz on and we'll see how this plays.
All right.
I'll have the news down.
Sure.
Yeah.
This flavor with the homies Blackstreet and Teddy, the original rough shakers. Shutting it down.
Oh yeah, definitely at 48 to 52 hertz range is a little bit. It hits your chest more too.
That's all 52 right there.
It is? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Box? Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, no problem.
What was your name?
Brad.
Brad.
And if you want to see the hood, I can show you the hood.
Sure, and you're on Team
Twisted.
Team Twisted. All right. Yeah, I'll show into the hood too. the big 4 done or big 3?
I have a big 4 done.
Did it? Oh, you got a ground in the back?
Yeah.
Awesome. That helps too. And the alternator's hidden, isn't it?
Down there at the bottom.
I see it. Yep. Very nice. What vehicle is this?
TSO.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Hey, I don't know if you got the other guy, but he's also on our team.
Okay. Yeah.
He's got 415 crescendo.
Yeah, we'll hear it. Sorry.
Aşkı masuklu yer, şıka sayır, bina kısa dayı, vurna fıra verdin, yıkanı yer, sayra hare ver, kınını laşır, ayıra bana ki, bana. Aşkı masuklu yer, şıka sayır, bina kısa dayı, vurna fıra verdin, yıkanı yer, sayra hare ver, kınını laşır, ayıra bana ki, bana.
I know. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.